What if I told you that your home could appear spotlessly clean to every visible surface while harboring 8 specific hidden locations, accumulating years of dust, mold spores, bacteria, and allergens that are continuously degrading your indoor air quality and potentially causing the unexplained headaches, allergies, and fatigue you've been attributing to completely different causes? What if cleaning these 8 forgotten places took less than 2 hours total and produced a measurable improvement in how your home's air actually feels? I discovered these hidden contamination points after purchasing an air quality monitor, and what I found genuinely disturbed me. Stay with me to the end, because your home isn't as clean as you think. The clean home that wasn't. I considered myself a thorough cleaner. Regular vacuuming, consistent bathroom and kitchen maintenance, weekly surface wiping. My home looked clean by any reasonable standard. So when I purchased an inexpensive indoor air quality monitor to satisfy curiosity, I expected confirmation that my cleaning habits were adequate. Instead, the readings shocked me. Particulate matter levels and volatile organic compound measurements were significantly higher than outdoor air in my supposedly clean home. Hidden location number 1. Ceiling fan blades. Ceiling fans accumulate thick layers of dust on blade surfaces that most people never directly observe because they're looking up at the bottom surface, while the top surface, where dust actually settles, faces upward and remains invisible from standing height. Hidden location number 2. Air vent covers. Every air vent in your home is both an air distribution point and a particle accumulation zone. Dust, pet dander, pollen, and debris collect on vent covers and inside the duct opening. Every time your heating or cooling system activates, air passes through this accumulated contamination before entering your living space. Hidden location number 3. Refrigerator coils and drip pan. The condenser coils underneath or behind your refrigerator accumulate dust continuously while running hot enough to create air movement that circulates this dust into your kitchen. Hidden location number 4. Washing machine rubber gasket. Front-loading washing machines have a rubber seal around the door that traps moisture, fabric fibers, and residue after every wash cycle. This creates ideal mold growing conditions in an area that stays warm and damp. Hidden location number 5. Under and behind large appliances. The space directly under and behind your refrigerator, oven, and washing machine accumulates enormous quantities of dust, food particles, and debris that never get disturbed during normal cleaning. Hidden location number 6. Mattress and pillow interiors. Mattresses absorb sweat, skin cells, and provide ideal conditions for dust mite colonization over years of use. A mattress that's never been treated can contain millions of dust mites whose waste products are among the most common indoor allergens. Hidden location number 7. Books and decorative items. Books and decorative objects accumulate dust on surfaces and in gaps that standard dusting rarely addresses comprehensively. Bookcases with many items become significant dust reservoirs where accumulated particles become airborne with any vibration or air movement. Hidden location number 8. Window tracks and frames. Window tracks accumulate an extraordinary concentration of outdoor pollution, pollen, insect debris, and mold from moisture exposure. Every time windows are opened or air moves past them, this accumulated material enters your indoor air. The air quality transformation. After systematically addressing all 8 hidden locations over 2 weekends, my air quality monitor showed significant improvement in particulate matter readings. More importantly, the subjective experience of my home's air changed noticeably. Mornings no longer started with the mild stuffiness I'd normalized. My spouse's chronic mild allergies, attributed to pollen, improved even during high pollen periods after we addressed these indoor contamination sources. These are 8 hidden locations, contaminating your indoor air: ceiling fan blade tops, air vent covers, refrigerator coils and drip pan, washing machine gasket, under and behind appliances, mattress interiors, books and decorative items, and window tracks. If this just explained your unexplained indoor allergies and gave you the specific solution, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell for more hidden home health information. Share this video with anyone suffering from unexplained indoor allergies. Comment below which hidden location shocked you most. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, clean what's hidden, protect your air quality, and breathe genuinely clean indoor air for the first time.